So on top of all of the confusion with you guys having to connect twice, I also forgot to start the recording until just a few minutes ago.
Oops.
Yeah, this is not a good well tonight. But, so there's going to be about 15 minutes of work on there.
That's okay.
So to those of you who are watching the video, I do apologize that this video is as short as it is. I forgot to hit the record button until we were about 45 minutes into the class. And for those that are just joining this video, this number 35 was from lesson 8.4. And I was telling the people as I explained it, this is really a tough problem and it would not be suitable for the test.
Oh, do you think we could do number 37 on 8.3?
Yep.
Okay.
Just have to wait a little while. I gotta get that up. Okay. So
I looked at your notes on this one and I was just confused why you multiplied the 5280, which is 1 mile, why you multiplied it by 12. But I'll let you get it up there.
sounds like it's changing. Because there's 12 inches in a foot.
Oh.
So you said 8.3?
8.3, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I guess you have to do 36 before you do 37. I see. I guess I didn't realize you had to multiply it by a foot too.
So on 36, you were supposed to take a long playing record. I'm sorry. The motorcycle tire is 26-inch diameter.
Mm-hmm.
You were supposed to answer how many revolutions does a tire make in 1 mile? Okay, well, the circumference is 81.68. So that's one tire turn makes 81.7 inches. Okay, now the question is, how many of those are there in 1 mile? Okay, so there are 5,280 feet in a mile, and there are 12 inches in every foot. So because I need this to compare with my circumference, I got to put everything in inches. So I take a mile, I multiply it by 5,280 to get feet, I multiply it by 12 in order to get inches. Mm-hmm. And now I've got my ratio of 63,360 over 81.7, which I can simplify to 776 spins in a mile. So that tire spins around 780 times every time you go a mile.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what the 12 is for.
Okay. That makes sense now.
So anyway, then 37 is the follow through on that.
Mm-hmm.
It gets a little bit ridiculous. So if that was 1 mile, what's it going to be to get 20,000 miles? How many spins is the tire guaranteed for? So 20,000 times 5280, the number of feet in a mile, times 12, the number of inches in a foot, all divided by 1 circumference, 26 pi. You get the 15,513,934 rotations it's guaranteed for. And I only kept that ridiculous number of places after the decimal because that was on my computer calculator.
Oh, okay.
You don't need that.
Yeah. Like, that's a pretty precise answer.
Yeah, it certainly is. Can't get rid of it either. Okay.
Well, I think those are the only questions that I had.
So how is Silent Leah doing?
I'm doing good. I'm just listening.
Okay, I know. You are. You certainly are.
I don't think I have any questions for tonight. It's just good to go over what we already were learning.
Yes, it is. That is true. So, Rachel, I just have to tell you, I had to adjust a little bit with, you know, you look like you're Nolan Shepherd. Did you hear
I
that?
lost you. Sorry.
You look like on the chat window. Do you know where the chat window is?
Yes.
On the chat window, you appear to be Nolan,
Oh,
and you don't look like a Nolan.
my son's name is Nolan.
Ah, yes. Well, that's cool. Anyway, there's nothing wrong with Nolan. It just you look more like a Rachel.
Yep. That's funny.
So if you want, we've got at least 10 minutes left because we started about 10 minutes late.
I think I just had the most problem with the volume problems.
Yeah.
But I think I can do that. A lot of messy notes.
Yeah, they do get messy. That was 8.5, right? Yeah.
Yeah, 8.5 was probably my biggest trouble for me.
Yeah, like problem. Here's my number 21, and it takes up a good section. You know, these do tend to be a little bit messy. Yeah, I don't think there's. You're right. These tend to be a little bit on the longer side.
Yep.
Especially when you have to combine shapes.
Right.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, well, Where was that? Yeah, like here, number 19. You had to have a pyramid on top of a cube.
Yeah, I totally started that one out wrong. I don't know.
So you notice up on the top, I've got
Yep.
volume of cube plus volume of pyramid equals the total volume. So you just kind of look at it as two separate problems and add the answers together.
On that one, I first started out with base times height. And then I was like, no, that's not right.
Actually, there's nothing wrong. That's good.
Okay.
BH, the height of the cube. What's the area of the base? 10 times 10, 100. 100
Right.
times 10 is 1,000. So this is really a BH sitting right here.
And that's what I started with. And I was like, wait, I wasn't sure.
Yeah, well, there's a lot going on. And on the pyramid, it's BH over 3. So you take
Right.
the same base, 100, and this time you multiply it by the height of 15, and you get, 1,500, but it's divided by 3. That's when it turns out to be 500.
Okay, yeah.
I didn't write those volume formulas down, but you're right. There's a BH in those. Yeah. And then you had to do a conversion to liters.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's a lot going on in those. You're right.
Mm-hmm.
So I just, I don't know, it sounds like this is wrapping up. I just wanted to say thanks for hanging in there, not only tonight, but through, I'm guessing for all of you, this might be your first online course.
Yes.
I've had some in the
Okay.
past.
In an online math class, there's some extra challenges there.
I like the format though.
Oh, good, good. I'm glad to hear that.
It feels more individualized.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
This
good.
worked out really good for me, at least, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad we have the tutoring.
If a
Yeah.
person speaks up and asks questions, it works. Those people who are totally silent, I can't tell what's going on. So I really appreciate the fact that you guys have engaged and you've had questions. So, are we wrapping it up tonight, or does anybody have any others?
I
I
think
think I'm
so.
good.
Yeah, me too.
Like you can contact me, and we can even do an individual we can do several problems, just the two of us with two people if you want. Just contact me. Let's set up a quick connection, and then we can go through things.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, girls.
Bye.
I should say lady.
Ladies, you can call me a girl. Makes
Yeah.
me feel young.
Yeah, younger is always okay, right?
Yeah. As you get older, it becomes better.
Okay, well then, good night, girls.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Thank you. Have a good
Thank
night.
you.